Are you in this shop?
No.
You-
No. We're going.
मैं आज अनजान लोगों से इंग्लिश में बात करने वाला हूँ, बट प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मैं हूँ गांव का गवार। वीडियो वेयर आई हैव टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश फॉर टुडे। एक्चुअली मैं यहीं से हूँ। कंडेस तो सता है।
मैं तो ठीक हूँ, मैं तो पछाड़ गया तो बोल रहा जो है तो बंदा वो ही है। कन्हैया लाल ही है ना।
मेरा क्रिश्चियन कन्हैया। भाई लेट्स टॉक इन इंग्लिश नाउ। डू यू थिंक माय इंग्लिश इज गुड? इम्प्रूव कैसे कर सकता हूँ मैं?
बिल्कुल।
चलो भाई, लेट्स टॉक इन इंग्लिश। ओके, लेट मी फाइंड अदर पीपल who can I talk with my tutti frutti English. Okay, this is the place. I can't see any people here, so I have to go straight and find some people to talk in English, brother. Bro, I don't know what to ask, but I'm gonna ask now. But I don't have any question now. Bro, sorry bro, I'm disturbing you right now, but can I ask you one question? One quick question.
No English, Hindi.
Actually, I'm also trying to speak in English today, and I'm making this video where I have to speak only in English. Tutti frutti English. Actually, I'm also not good in English, but I'm making this video. Whatever. Okay, you can speak in Hindi.
Hindi.
Okay, bro. Actually, भाई क्या क्वेश्चन पूछोगे? Bro, I am very much single. I am looking for a wife. Do you think I can get one? I can find. मेरी शादी हो पाएगी कभी?
हो सकती है भाई, क्यों नहीं होगी?
भाई हिंदी में बात करना पड़ता है मेरे को खुद नहीं आ रहा वर्ड। शुक्रिया भाई, क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम तेजू।
तेजू, शुक्रिया भाई। My confidence is building. I think I'm gonna be fluent in English by the end of this month. But right now I'm gonna heading straight. Okay, let's go, bro. Let's go straight and let me search. ठीक है भैया? Let me search something for it. I'm pretty hungry now. Excuse me, bro. Do you know where is something I can find to it? Actually, I am also not good in English. I am trying to speak in English. Do you think my English is good? पता है क्या है? मैं आज एक वीडियो बना रहा हूँ जिसमें मेरे को दिन भर में इंग्लिश में बातें करनी है।
आपको नहीं आती है?
शुक्रिया, क्या नाम है वैसे आपका?
मेरा नाम है जगजीवन।
Thank you, भाई। Well, I'm gonna be fluent in English, definitely. So let's find something to eat, man. That's what my main goal is for today's video. Not for today's video, definitely. My goal is to speak in English, and right now I'm gonna find something to eat, and hopefully I'm gonna find something, brother. Okay, go, man. Let me see. I'm in the shop right now, and let me see what can I find to eat, man. Oh, I can find there something. Sir, can I get boiled egg here?
Why then?
Yeah.
Cow and tea stall.
Thank you. भाई क्रेजी चीजें हो रही है। ढाबा एंड टी स्टॉल। भाई मेरे को एक्सेंट भी चेंज करना पड़ेगा लगता है। ढाबा एंड टी स्टॉल।
Head south on National Highway 3.
Yeah, I know. Sir, do you have boiled egg? You don't have. Can I get some boiled egg? This side. Thank you. What? Yeah, actually, I'm doing this vlog. What is your name? Oh, Topi hat. पकड़ा ना जाओ भाई. Excuse me, ma'am. Do you know where I can get boiled egg? Boiled egg.
अंग्रेजी में बोल रहे, हिंदी में नहीं आता है?
No, I don't speak.
लगता है कि ना अंग्रेजी पर
No, I can only speak in English.
में जाओ बैग में बच्चे पढ़े लिखे
Which shop?
Highway 3.
Actually, I'm also not.
समझ गया मैं
मैं ना एक्चुअली एक वीडियो बना रहा हूँ जिसमें मेरे को आज पूरा दिन इंग्लिश में बात करनी है.
अच्छा तो आप टूट गई ना आपकी कसम
अभी नहीं टूटी है, मतलब लोगों से करने का है.
अच्छा करने का मेरे को नहीं आती इंग्लिश
कोई नहीं टूटा फूटा मैं भी.
बोल नहीं सकता
बजा लो ताड़ी.
साड़ी क्या
मुंह में मत बजा देना कहीं. चलो भाई. Excuse me, bro. I'm so sorry to bother you. Actually, I'm doing this YouTube video, and where I have to speak in English for for this video. Would you mind if I ask you some question?
No, I am busy.
Oh, where you going, bro?
Kangra Bank.
Okay, are you from here?
Yes.
Do you speak local language here? मस्त लगा तो मिस तो असंग मिल गया. Okay, bro. Excuse me, sir. Do you have boy leg? Boy leg? No. तो एक्सेंट भी चेंज करना पड़ेगा. Sir, where I can find boy leg? Where I can find boy leg? Boy leg?
By Lego.
Yeah.
Lego.
Boil egg.
Lego. You are going to this hotel.
Straight? Yeah, that one? No, there is no. Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm doing this YouTube video where I have to speak in English for one day.
What?
Actually, मैं ना एक वीडियो बना रहा हूँ जिसमें मेरे को एक दिन इंग्लिश में बात करनी है.
हाँ.
आपको क्या लगता है मैं कर पाऊंगा एक दिन इंग्लिश में बातें?
इंग्लिश में बात करो बोलो.
मैं नहीं, मेरे को करने का है. मतलब मैं ना आज लोगों से इंग्लिश में बातें करनी है. मतलब वो चैलेंज कर रहा हूँ यूट्यूब पे आज, इसलिए ऐसे इंग्लिश में बात कर रहा हूँ. आप कहाँ से हो वैसे?
मैं तो लाहौर से हूँ.
लाहौर से हो आप? अच्छा, आप भी लाहौर से?
नहीं.
आप कहाँ से?
कुल्लू से.
वो तब तो अवेज़र जी मेरी लैंग्वेज है. बस लाहौर की नहीं मेरे को आती है.
क्या है ना? ये कितने का आता है?
ये मैंने लिया था 3000 का. चलो ठीक है, शुक्रिया अंकल जी. Let's go, bro. I have to be fluent in English, man. That's what the goal is. Excuse me, bro. I'm so sorry to bother you guys. Do you mind if I ask you some question for YouTube? What is your name, bro?
धीरज ठाकुर.
What about you, bro?
कुशाल.
Bro, actually, I'm doing this video where I have to speak in English for this video. Do you think I'm gonna speak for this video?
Yeah.
भाई एक तो टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश ही निकले जा रही है. What about you, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Where are you guys from? Like here?
Yes.
भाई शक्ल कुछ देखी लग रही है. चलो थैंक यू भाई टाइम के लिए आपके. शुक्रिया भाई. Let's go, bro. Find another man. भाई अब तो एक्सेंट भी चेंज करके देख लिया मैंने. हाँ वो राइट. मेरे को लगता है इस जगह से जा रहा हूँ अभी, पर but I don't know, bro, where I can find the food. There is something, I guess. There is chow mein, there is momo, there is spring roll, there is Maggi, there is soup veg, and this is me, and there are pastries, and I need boiled egg. Hopefully I'm gonna find here. Excuse me, ma'am. Do you have boiled egg? Boiled egg?
Boiled egg?
Yeah. Okay, bro. I'm gonna be fluent. I'm gonna speak to stranger people in English. भाई उधर गन्ने की दुकान तो है ही है. This is the shop, bro. How much for one cup? How much for one? How much for one cup? How much?
40.
No. How much money for one cup?
30 rupees.
30? Yeah. Give me one. One. Yeah. I got a juice here, and I'm gonna drink it now. Okay. Let's go there. This is the place, brother, where I am, and right now I'm just drinking a cup. It's like 30 rupees, 30 Indian rupees, and oh yeah. This is the shop, bro. How much for one cup? 30 rupees. 30? Yeah, give me one. One. Yeah. I got a juice here, and I'm gonna drink it now. Okay. Let's go there. This is the place, brother, where I am, and right now I'm just drinking a cup. It's like 30 rupees, 30 Indian rupees, and oh yeah. That's how they make this juice. And right now in this place, look at this place, bro. It's very, very beautiful. Hopefully, she's gonna think I am the British or maybe some foreigner. Hopefully, yeah. Because I'm trying to make this fake accent as well. Let's do it, bro. And okay, mate. Thank you. Okay, mate. This is the cup, and it cost me 30 rupees, and I'm gonna drink it. And let me tell you how it tastes like. Yo, man, it tastes so good. Wow, man, that's so good, mate. What do you put in this? Like, is this salt? Salt, yes. Yeah, that's cool. That's very good. Oh, no, my God, man. What? Yeah, that? Okay, cool. That's cool. Oh yeah, this cup. Okay, cool. कितने रुपए हुए? 30 रुपए.
40 देते हैं पर तो
चलो मैं थोड़ा ये फॉरनर आ गया ना. I'm trying my full potential to speak in English, man. शुक्रिया. पता है मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ आज? मेरे को ना आज इंग्लिश में बातें करनी है. कैसी लगी मेरी इंग्लिश वैसे? ऐसा दसा तू घंटा लगा बुझवाती असली या नकली बुझवाती? अच्छा. Can I take your 2 minutes walk? Actually, yeah. Actually, I'm making this video where I have to speak in English for today's video. That's what my challenge. Do you mind if I ask you some question? It's pretty easy, bro. Just like me. Camera ke dum udawata. Bro, I'm so sorry to bother you guys. Actually, I'm making this video where I have to speak in English for this video. That's why मैंने रटी रटाई लाइनें लिखी सीखी हुई है. And I'm gonna ask you some question. So man, how old are you by the way?
I'm 25.
Oh, you're 25. I'm 28. तो भाई एज नहीं याद रही क्या? What about you, bro? How old are you?
25.
25. Yeah, bro. You guys are Gen Z basically. So do you guys know Gen Z relationship terms?
Yeah, I know.
Do you know what situationship is?
Yeah, I know.
What is it?
English में बताऊँ?
Your choice. It's her choice. It's your choice.
यार ये तो डिफिकल्ट पूछ लिया आपने.
Okay, हिंदी में.
हिंदी में बस यही है जो सिचुएशन के हिसाब से जैसे टैकल करते हैं वही हिसाब से मतलब कोई लॉयल्टी नहीं है उसमें.
What is ghosting, brother?
He can't speak English. He can't speak English.
हिंदी में बोल दो कि
हिंदी में बोलो इसको.
हिंदी में बोलो.
घोस्टिंग क्या होता है मतलब?
स्टिंग.
घोस्टिंग. भाई तो पक्के प्लेयर लग रहे हैं. घोस्टिंग सिचुएशन. Where you from? यहीं से हो क्या?
नहीं पंजाब से.
पंजाब से हो तुसी? अच्छा चलो चंगा लगा मिलके भाई. एक दिन पंजाबी में बनानी पड़ेगी वीडियो. भाई सब्सक्राइबर I got some subscribers. I have to speak in English but sometimes my tongue slip just like my girlfriend slipped. चंगा वीरे.
Okay, video.
But this place is so empty. I can't find anyone. I mean, where I can find people. I don't know who is giving me this idea to shoot this video here. But this place is so beautiful, man. That's why I thought I have to shoot this video here. Right here, man. And I'm finding people with whom I can speak in English. This is pretty crazy video, man. Yo, man. I'm feeling energetic. Like I should speed right. There I can see some people. If you can see, you can. There is a traveler and maybe I can find there someone to speak with. If the guys wanna talk to me, let's go, man. But first I'm gonna ask two people there if they can speak to me. Hopefully they're gonna speak with me. Just act some like. Excuse me, sir. I'm so sorry to bother you. Actually, I'm making video. Would you mind if I ask you some question? No. Where are you from, by the way? कहाँ से हो आप वैसे? अच्छा, पता है क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं आज मैं एक वीडियो बना रहा हूँ ना जिसमें मेरे को इंग्लिश में बात करनी है। मतलब मैं अपनी इंग्लिश इंप्रूव कर रहा हूँ।
हमारे इंग्लिश नहीं आती है।
मेरे को खुद नहीं आती, मैं ट्राई Okay, man. That's crazy, bro. Okay, let me cross. Okay, let's find. Okay, let me find, man. Right now I'm in this bridge and I want to find someone who can speak in English. अभी तो थोड़ा confidence भी आ गया भाई. But hopefully they're giving me some time. I'm hoping, bro. Let's go, bro. Excuse me, sir. I'm so sorry to bother you. Actually, bro, I'm making a video where I have to speak in English in this video. Like, that's the challenge for this video. Would you mind if I ask you some question?
I would mind. Yes. Ask me.
हाँ, ये तो. Where you?
I would not.
Where are you from?
Where are you from, bro? I'm from Delhi, bro.
My name is Christian, bro. What is your name?
My name is Gufran.
Gufran, nice name, bro. What about you, bro?
Arshan.
Arshan. My name is Christian, bro. Nice to meet you. What is your name?
My name is Jibran.
Jibran. Your name is so unique, man. So I'm gonna ask you some question, okay?
Okay.
In English, in my tutti frutti English, obviously.
Okay.
So how old are you, bro?
Oh my God. I'm 17.
What about you, bro?
Me also.
Do you guys know the Gen Z relationship term?
Yeah,
Well,
kind of.
so according to you, what is open relationship? It's pretty easy now. Okay, situationship. Tell me situationship. Situationship, brother. You don't know what situationship is. Okay, life advice. What advice would you like to give me? Like, how can I improve my English, bro?
Our English is also broken. So we could not be able to give you advice. So, and about situationship, we've never been in relationship. That's very bad for us. So, that's my big brother. He could give you an example because he was a playboy. He was a playboy.
I'm already married.
You are married?
Yes.
You don't look like married, bro. You know what, bro? My English is also broken, and once upon a time, I have a girlfriend, and I tried to speak with her in English, and she broke my bone.
Oh, that's
English
bad.
is too good. Genuinely.
Thanks, man.
It's too good.
You could speak to another England people.
Where I can find England people? I don't have money, man.
Through Tinder.
Through Tinder. भाई दिल्ली के लौंडे दमदार। शुक्रिया भाई लोग टाइम के लिए, बजा लो हाई फाई। पता नहीं मेरे इंग्लिश में कुछ यहाँ माना हो जाए, देने के लेने पड़ जाए। I'm going to this place. The view is super beautiful. Actually, I'm so sorry to bother you, bro. Actually, I'm making this video where I have to speak in English. That's what the challenge for this video. Do you mind if I ask you some question?
Yes.
Oh my God, man! Can you come here? Cause, okay, let me fix the camera. Let me fix the camera. Can you go backward? थोड़ा और backward आ जाओ. Where are you from, brother? Kerala.
No.
So Tamil Nadu, something south.
नहीं.
Where are you from then?
बिहार.
Oh, और फिर कैसे? English. I'm forgetting. So what is your name, bro?
Aditya Raj.
Aditya Raj. So Aditya Raj, what do you do?
I am currently studying BTech.
BTech. So how old are you, man?
I am 19 years old.
19. So do you know the Gen Z relationship term?
Yes.
According to you, what situationship is?
I don't know this type of terms,
So what kind of terms you know?
desi terms.
Okay, tell me.
शादी ब्याह.
शादी ब्याह से नहीं भाई उठ रहे. So you're gonna marry how old? What age you wanna get married?
26, 27.
26, 27. Okay. So what do you think? I should marry or not? Cause I'm 28-year old.
You should marry.
You should marry. So where I can find girl, man?
Tell your parents.
बड़ा सही लगा भाई मिलके आदित्य. थैंक यू सो मच भाई आपका टाइम के लिए. बड़ा मैं आज Where are you from?
You are from Raisen.
Oh, you are from Raisen. So what do you do?
थोड़ा हिंदी भी बोलेंगे.
Actually, video is called where I have to speak in English only.
अच्छा.
But I also can speak in Hindi. तो मतलब आप बेसिकली कहाँ से हो? नेपाल यहीं से ही हो या लोकल?
मैं बेसिकली आपका किन्नौर से हूँ.
अच्छा. शिट भाई की नौरी नहीं मेरे को आती है. क्या ही करूँ? आपकी एज क्या है वैसे?
मेरी एज है आपकी 40 साल.
40 साल. आपकी लाइफ में ऐसा कोई पछतावा या आपने कोई ऐसी गलती की हो जो आपको अब बहुत कुछ सिखा रही है या जिसका आपको पछतावा होता है?
गलती तो एक ही है जी, शादी करके बहुत बड़ी गलती की है. जो मेरी वाइफ मेरे को छोड़ के चले गई है, 3 बच्चे.
अच्छा वो आ रहा है.
बस वही गलती है मेन सबसे बड़ी. बस यही है. बाकी हम यही कहना चाहते हैं, शादी करनी हो तो पहले लड़की का पास्ट देखिए, उसके बाद करनी शादी.
अच्छा आजकल तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है भाई पास्ट पुस्ट देखना. तो आप क्या लाइफ एडवाइस देना चाहोगे 13 साल के बच्चे? 13 साल छोड़ो, मेरे को क्या एडवाइस दोगे आप?
एडवाइस आपको यही है, अपना काम में बिजी रहिए और बाकी आप भगवान के भरोसे छोड़ दिए, बाकी आपका भगवान देखेगा.
वो ये आज का चैलेंज.
चैलेंज आपको
हाँ मतलब जिसमें इंग्लिश में करनी है. बट भाई आई हैव टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. व्हाई आई एम फॉरगेटिंग ऑल द टाइम. भाई से कर ली.
ओहो
चलो शुक्रिया भाई. ठीक है भाई. नाउ माय कॉन्फिडेंस इज बूस्टिंग ब्रदर. जाने ना कहाँ. अरे भाई इंग्लिश आई हैव टू सिंग इन इंग्लिश ओनली. यू जस्ट वांट अटेंशन. You don't want my heart. Maybe you just hit the thought of me. Someone new. And you just want. You don't want my heart. Maybe you just hit the thought of someone. अभी मुझ में कहीं जिंदाबाद. For learning English, I'm also reading this board. It's written slow down. ऊपर please भी लिखा भाई. La la la. Sir, can I take your time? Actually, I'm making a video where I have to speak in English with people for this video. That's what the challenge. Do you mind if I ask you some question?
I don't know.
Because this video is where I have to speak in English. Because I'm challenging myself. What is your name?
My name is Nekraj.
Where are you from?
I from in Himachal, district Kangra.
Oh, you're from Kangra. So what you do here? You work here?
Yes, I am working.
Oh, your English is good. You are saying you are not good in English.
No, but I have never tried to speak in English.
Yeah, that's what the reason is. But your English is super good, super good. I really like your English. So what do you do?
I am accountant.
You're accountant. So would you like to help me with accounting, with my money accounting? You get what I want to say?
We can try.
You are a very nice person and you have a pretty good confidence.
Okay.
People need guts to speak in English in the front of, in the stranger, in the road. You are super confident. Thank you so much for your time.
Very much.
हाथ तो मिला लो. He is very confident. I must say this thing. ये देखो भाई, यहाँ से मैं पैदल चल रहा हूँ अभी. Look at this stone, guys. It's broken. It's gearing, brother. It's broke down. What should I say for this thing? I want to know. If you know, let me know in the comment section. The stone is landslide. I don't know, bro. You can tell me, man. Accent भी अलग ही हो गया भाई साहब. Should I ask for a lift? Because I've never asked for a lift in English. To ask for a lift, if they stop me or not. Let's see. Let's see. Somebody's gonna stop me or not. Oh! Let's see somebody's gonna stop me or not. Let's see that. Okay, someone is on screen. Let me ask her. If she's... No man, she didn't. Let me ask for another lift. Oh shit. No, I lost him. Another bike and I'm not gonna ask him for a lift, definitely. There is a truck coming and I'm gonna ask him for a lift. भाई पर इंग्लिश में बोलना चाहिए कि नहीं भाई एक कपड़े गाड़ी रखी ऊपर से वहाँ खाली तो थी भाई but he didn't stop. Let's go. Let's go. पैदल okay man. भाई इंग्लिश में अभी क्या ही होगी and I am walking. पैदल थोड़ा अजीब लग रहा है लेकिन I am walking. That's what the right sentence I would say. Okay, bus. I'm not gonna take the bus. Definitely, for sure. Right now, I'm in the mood. So, I'm not gonna. It was definitely. Oh, re man batuto. Okay. I have to also sing in English. Yeah, you got the yummy. Looking for a lift. Hoping finding one. I'm looking for someone who can drop me somewhere. Just a man English word. Excuse me, bro. Do you mind if I ask you some question for you? Actually, I'm making. Can you come here, cause what is your name, bro?
My name is David.
David. Where are you from, David?
My from Bundrol.
You're from Bandrol. So your name is so unique like the other people. Who gives you this name, David?
Yeah. घूमने फिरने गए शॉपिस बस.
Hey, that's cool. So, do you have any girlfriend?
No.
You don't have?
We don't.
Okay, that's cool, man. That's cool. Thank you so much your time. आपके टाइम का मुझे सही लगा. मैं आज इंग्लिश में बात करने का ट्राई कर रहा हूँ भाई. डेविड भाई. चैलेंज भाई मेरे लिए कि औरों के लिए. पता नहीं भाई मैं ये लाइनें गलत तो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. क्या बोल रहा हूँ अपनी टूटी फूटी हुई इंग्लिश में. भाई ये ऑस्ट्रेलियन एक्सेंट है क्या ये एक्सेंट है. मैं सब कुछ पढ़ रहा हूँ भाई जो भी इंग्लिश में लिखा है जैसे गुड लक. भाई एक भाई साहब तो आ रहे हैं आगे से पर कोशिश तो चलो कर ही सकते हैं. क्या पता सुन ले. Excuse me, bro. Do you mind if I ask you some question for my YouTube channel? Actually, I'm making this video. What is your name, brother?
Sanjeev.
Okay, so what do you do for living?
Yoga teacher I am basically.
You are a teacher, yoga teacher. So you do yoga.
Yes.
So how many students you have?
Almost 30-40.
30-40. So are you married or you single?
Single.
Okay. You know Gen Z relationship term?
No.
You don't know. You know what situationship is?
No.
Okay, that's good. Do you have any advice for 13-year-old kid?
I'm advised only daily do yoga, samasana, pranayam, mudras, and social work.
Thank you, Sajib bro. Actually, I'm doing this video जिसमें मेरे को इंग्लिश में बात करनी है लोगों से.
ठीक है.
शुक्रिया भाई.
Okay.
भाई बाइक बुक तो हाली है. कोशिश भी करूँगा रुकने की. देखते हैं भाई. रुकते होंगे तो. भाई 2 है क्या उसमें? हाँ. भाई 2 उसमें तो रुक तो नहीं पाएंगे वो भाई साहब. But yes. Would you mind if I ask you some question?
Yes.
So, are you stopping here?
Yes.
So, Okay, let me fix the camera first. So right now I am with two handsome hunk. What is your name?
Sanjay Narsingh.
What about you?
Pawan Rathod.
Pawan Rathore. My name is Christian.
Nice.
You can call me Rathore as well. Okay. So where you are from?
MP. Jhabua, Ujjain Mahakal, you know? Ujjain Mahakal
I've heard
Jyotirling.
Ujjain. Yeah, I've heard. What about you? You are what?
I'm both. We are.
So how old are you, man?
35.
What about you?
I am 23.
23. Oh, you are you look like 30-year-old and
मामा क्या बोलते हैं मामा और मामा एंड भांजा मामा भांजा वी आर मामा भांजा
okay, that's cool. So what advice would you like to give a 13-year-old kid?
आई थिंक हिंदी में बोलूं हिंदी
Yeah, it's cool.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक 30 साल के व्यक्ति को अपना करियर सेट करने के बाद पूरे भारत में घूमना चाहिए जहाँ वो रहता है एक्सप्लोर करना चाहिए रुकना नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि कहते हैं कि रुका हुआ जो पानी होता है खराब हो जाता है वो ठीक है झरना जो होता है वो बहता रहता है और जब तक बहता है तो वो बहुत अच्छा होता है इसलिए कोई भी व्यक्ति को हमेशा चलते रहना चाहिए एक जगह से दूसरी जगह एक्सप्लोर करनी चाहिए और 30 साल के बाद तो सभी लोगों को घूमने जाना ही चाहिए और जो लोग 30 से ऊपर हो चुके हैं मैं उन्हें भी कहूँगा कि उनको घूमना चाहिए भले अपने देश में घूमना बहुत सस्ता है यार हम जा सकते हैं एक जगह से दूसरे मतलब इतना महंगा नहीं है गाड़ी लेकर अपना खुद का वाहन लेकर या रेंट पे या पैदल जैसा भी उसे अच्छा लगे लेकिन घूमना चाहिए उसे रुकना नहीं चाहिए ये मेरी बात
ये खोल के
Wait, I'm gonna put this in because you guys are so you both are traveling with bike. So how many states you are traveling with bike?
6 स्टेट
7 आई थिंक नहीं 7 हो गए ना आई थिंक 7 states in India
Yeah, in India. So you have planned for traveling abroad.
off road
yes
Which country you like most?
Amsterdam and San Francisco and Tokyo.
Tokyo, you like Tokyo. Yeah. Okay, so you've heard this term called hitchhiking.
Sorry?
Hitchhiking. It's actually basically the thing you are gonna travel while asking for lift. Actually, I travel with hitchhiking. I ask people for a lift. And then I travel. Is it good?
Good.
better
Best.
I think this is the best
Because you are connecting every people,
Yeah.
every villages, every places.
and
You
every
better than connectivity.
Yeah. Okay.
इसलिए लिफ्ट लेकर घूमना चाहिए
Yeah.
लेकिन रुकना नहीं चाहिए
That's true.
गिरो
traveling is important कोई सा भी वे हो उसका
बाइक
You are a
हो,
lift,
कार
bike,
हो,
car.
पैदल हो साइकिल हो एक्सेट्रा
आई थिंक ट्रेवल करते रहना चाहिए
बेस्ट
Definitely. You know what? I'm making video. Today I'm making this video where I have to speak in English with stranger. Actually, I'm very bad in English, so I am challenging myself to speak in English with strangers.
जो आप कर रहे हैं वो अच्छा है करना चाहिए रुकना नहीं चाहिए जो भी व्यूअर्स हैं मैं उनके कहना चाहूँगा कि भैया जो भी कर रहे हैं उनको आगे बढ़ाने के लिए आप लोग लाइक्स करें सब्सक्राइब करें फॉलो करें और
क्योंकि स्पेशली मैं इसलिए कहना चाहता हूँ कि किसी में भी ये हिम्मत नहीं होती है कि हर किसी को रोक के कैमरे के लिए अप्रोच करें बात करें ये हर किसी के अंदर नहीं होते हैं गट्स जो भाई के अंदर हैं और ये बहुत अच्छी बात है मैं इसको अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ और करते रहना चाहिए इसे आप बहुत मेरे हिसाब से लाइफ में बहुत आगे जाओगे भाई
आदमी को वो काम करना चाहिए जिसमें उसे खुशी मिल रही है पैसा कम मिल रहा है नो मैटर पैसा मैटर नहीं करता है
Yeah, definitely.
आपको अच्छा लग रहा है मैटर करता है कई लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं जिनके पास बहुत पैसा होने के बाद भी वो खुश नहीं है अपनी वर्तमान जीवन से वो खुश नहीं होते हैं
भाई चेहरे पे मुस्कान होना चाहिए वो कैसे भी आए
Yeah.
वो आपको वीडियोस बना के आ रही है हमको घूम के आ रही है किसी को बैठ के आ रही है किसी को खा के आ रही है फेस पे स्माइल होना चाहिए वो मैटर करता है
Thank you so much for your time.
बाय
हाँ भाई
Oh, hey, oh. आँखों ही आँखों में करे बातें. Okay, now I'm gonna ask for a lift. Definitely, man. If someone is stopping here, hoping. No, he's not stopping. Oh, yeah. Finally, man. Oh, Thank you so much for stopping. Actually, I'm making video. Is it cool? Okay, thank you so much for stopping, man. Where are you from?
Manali.
You're from Manali?
Yeah.
So where are you going?
I'm going to rafting point.
Okay, so this is the view, man. Rafting point, like, how many kilometers from this road?
I think hardly 7-8 kilometers.
7-8 kilometers. Okay. Okay, man, I got the first lift for today. And I think this is it. How many kilometers Kullu from here?
15.
15? Yeah, thanks. What is your name, by the way?
Pintu Sharma.
Pintu Sharma. That's a pretty good name. How old are you, man?
48.
48. So your English seems pretty good, though.
Thanks.
I really like your English. I've seen people.
Study in Delhi, na?
Oh,
Yeah.
you are basically from Delhi.
No, I'm from Himachal.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm studying in the Delhi.
Okay. So, 48-year-old. So, do you have any regret or any mistakes that you have made in your past, and what you learned from that mistake?
No comments.
No comment.
Sorry.
Okay, no worries, no worries. What advice?
Personal, na?
Yeah, no, it's cool, it's cool. Would you like to give any advice for the audience who are watching? What should they do in their life for happiness?
Short life.
Yeah. You can say Hindi.
गरीब जियो मत, गरीब मर जाओ.
Okay.
जितना जीना ढंग से जियो. समझे?
Yeah.
हाँ, तो गरीब जियो मत, गरीब मर जाओ वो अच्छा है. पर जितना जियो ढंग से जियो.
Like happy life. Okay, can you stop here? Yeah. So I make the video ना. Thank you पिंटू भैया आपके टाइम के लिए. मस्त लगा मिलते. Almost done. Okay, bus is gonna stop, man.
Like the water under the bridge, sweetheart, but the roses pale, the moon turned white.
Finally, bro, I take the bus. तो याद रखो, अगर तुम्हें इंग्लिश बोलने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है ना, तो बोलने की कोशिश करो. I know it makes you uncomfortable, but uncomfortable equal to growth. जो मुझे नहीं करनी